Let's move over to the livestock and talk about lean hogs again, because there's so much there. I mean, obviously with China and what's happening with trade and our administration. But we haven't had any new news, let's say fundamental news, when it comes to the African swine fever. It's been very, very quiet on that front. Now, if we do need to ship some hogs to China, we have the hogs to ship, so that's not an issue right now. So right now, we haven't had really anything bullish out there that's going to give us any pause for concern. Again, it's been quiet on the African swine fever front, so no new bullish headlines. I think that it's also interesting to note, if you want to look at what the technicians look at, and again, fundamentally, you know, African swine fever is something fundamental to look at, but the technicians will kind of take lean hogs off the top of that chart and just look at the picture. And it looks as though we are starting to form a little bit of a bottom here. It's recovering a little bit, so we've just basically had a 30-cent drop from the highs to the lows, and we're trying to get back to, say, 25% of that move back higher. So the technicians are looking at how big that bounce is, and right now we're struggling to hold that 25% move of a bounce from the high to the low in that last sell-off we had. Well, what do you need to see? Again, if you're a bull or a bear, kind of looking to levels to the upside, technically speaking, 81, 85, and then 88 are going to be the numbers that we're going to be looking at as levels that we're going to have to kind of see us get through to sustain this little short-term recovery here. So keep an eye on that. It's more of a technical trade than anything else right now. No new fundamental news when it comes to the African swine fever. And then we've seen some numbers and some technical things we're going to have to watch here in the short term to see if the lean hog market can stay on its feet.